In Google Photos, you can also do minor photo editings as you need. So let's say, for example, if I want to edit this particular photo, then you can go ahead and click right here. And then over here on the top, you can click on edit right here, just like this. So once you do that, you can do a lot of editings right here. But let's start with basic editing, that is cropping and rotating. So to do that, if I were to go around over here onto crop, then what happens is that you can see that I can go ahead and then crop out the photos right here, just like this. I can go ahead and select square and then this and so forth right here. So you can go ahead and select out a cropping ratio, or you can keep it free and then click and drag this out right here, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see. You can even resize the cropping area right here, and then you can see that you can reposition right here. And you can even rotate out the angle right here to rotate out the degree, just like this. Go ahead and resize it. And then this is what you have right here. If I were to go ahead and now click on save, then what happens is that that photo will be updated right here. And this is edited, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can do basic editing of photos, like cropping and rotating inside of Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.